everyone, today I'm going to be taking you to my town's annual light switch on, so let's go. That's on my way now to see the lights. Woo!
We want Santa! We want He's on his way, boys and girls! 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's me home now, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know the quality of it wasn't really too good because there's too many people and it was also raining, so anyways, please subscribe, I would appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video. Merry Christmas.